Hi everyone! Today I would like to show you how to draw this Easter card in Procreate. It's quite easy and simple, so even if you are a beginner, you should be able to do this. I'm drawing on a square canvas from Procreate. First, let's set the background to this light green color from the palette. You can download this color palette, just click on the link in the description box. Now let's click here so we can get out of the background color and pick white color. Pick monoline brush from calligraphy brushes. And draw a circle. Hold pencil in one place and put your finger on the screen to create a perfect circle. Now click on the arrow here and with magnetics and snapping turned on, move the circle exactly to the middle of the canvas. Now create a new layer and pick this pink color. Draw an ellipse at the bottom of the white circle. Just hold the pencil still in one place. To make this ellipse look more like an egg, click on the arrow tool and set it to the warp. This way you can make the bottom wider and the top more pointy. Click on Uniform to move the egg and make it smaller or bigger as you wish. Click on the arrow to get out of this tool and drag the color to fill in the shape. Create a new layer for the second egg. This egg will be blue. Draw it the same way as the pink one. Now let's make one more layer for the third egg. Move this layer under the layers with other eggs. Pick orange color. The drawing process is the same as before. I'm just going to change that orange egg a little bit more. When the eggs are done, create a new layer above them. Let's change the brush to dry ink from inking brushes. Now go to the Actions menu and turn on Drawing Guide. Click on Edit Drawing Guide and pick Symmetry. Click Done, and now you can see a line in the middle of the canvas. Everything that you will draw on the one side of this line will be drawn also on the other side. Let's pick this light green color and draw some leaves. Draw more leaves along that white circle. Maybe one more here. Pick this dark green color and draw some more leaves or sticks. Now let's pick this blue color and draw some flowers. I'm drawing all these elements on one layer, but if you want you can create new layers for each color. This way, if you don't like something, it will be easier to make changes. Let's move on to another color, maybe this orange now. Just draw simple shapes that represent flowers. Now let's use this light pink color and do some more flowers. I'm going to add still some more blue flowers. Okay, this looks pretty nice already, but we can still make it more interesting. Pick a new brush. I'm going to use Studio Pen. And pick black color and draw some more floral elements. Keep them simple, like the rest of the illustration. Now let's add some white details. Draw lines on the flowers and do some dots around the leaves. Okay, now we don't need that white circle anymore, so let's turn this layer off. To add the text, go to the Action menu, go to Add, and click Add Text. Write Happy. Select the word by tapping on it, and now we can change the font. I'm going to pick this, Summer Vibes. Here you can change the size and do some other adjustments. Click Done and click on the arrow to move the text. Go to the layers and swipe that layer to the left and pick Duplicate. Now click on the layer under and pick Edit Text. Tap on the word, go to the color and pick blue. Click on the arrow tool and slightly move it so it looks like it's a shadow. Make sure you have Uniform option selected when you're doing this. Click on the arrow to go out from this and make a new text. So go to the Actions menu and pick Add Text. Write Easter. Tap on the word and change the font. For this word I'm going to use Bebas Neue font. Change the size and kerning. Go to the colors and pick white. Click on the arrow and move it to be under the happy word. You can also make it bigger using this tool. Now, just like before, we're going to duplicate this layer. Click on the layer under, pick Edit Text, tap on it and pick pink color. Go to the arrow tool and slightly move it down and to the right to make a shadow. If you want to move, let's say, the word happy, click on one happy layer and then swipe the second one to the right. This way they are both selected and you can move them together. The card is almost done. We can turn off the symmetry line. Go to the Action menu, Canvas, and then turn off Drawing Guide. To finish this card, let's still draw something on the X. Click on the layer with blue egg and create a new layer above it. Click on it and set it to Clipping Mask. This way you can draw only inside the X shape. With the white color and Studio Pen brush, draw some lines, just like this. Just small little lines. We are trying to keep this illustration simple, so this is a simple pattern. To make this more interesting, pick the eraser and set it also to Studio Pen. Erase middle parts of those little lines. Now let's decorate the orange egg. So you have to click on the layer with the orange egg and make a new layer above it. Click on the layer and set it to clipping mask. For this egg, I'm just going to draw some lines. Let's change the color to black and draw more lines. Okay, let's decorate the pink egg. Go to the layers, pick the pink egg layer and create a new layer above it. Click on it and set it to clipping mask. Now just make some random dots. Make sure to draw them also on the edge of the egg. It will look nicer this way. And the card is finished. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was easy to follow. Please let me know in the comments. Also, if you make this card and want to share it with me, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!